Alright, tayo dadawa naman sa ating junior high school. Good luck mga idol.
Okay na kuya.
Okay, wait lang kuya, picture lang muna, saglit. Picture lang muna.
Ay,
Wait lang, meron pa. For safety lang.
elementary ko no.
Ha? Hindi, junior high school din. Oh. Mahusay din talaga eh. Good luck. Sino kaya ang tatanghalin kampiyon naman sa ating junior high school? And once again, congratulations for our new champion sa elementary division, ang San Juan Integrated School. Ayan, tingnan naman natin ngayon kung nakakabawi dito ang San Juan Integrated School sa junior high school kontra sa undefeated team, ang San Juan National High School. Ayan, official timeout muna po tayo for our safety. Head by our si Sir D ng ating OIC, together with our Sir Kenneth Tobis sa ating sports director for our basketball division. Ayan, official timeout muna tayo. At maya-maya magsisimula na tayo para sa ating championship game. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon for our junior high school? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang po sa ating laban. Okay. Maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating liga. To all the school. Ayan. Teachers and also the parents as well. Siyempre sa ating ibatihing Mayor Francis Zamora, Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Cawili, and Congresswoman at Attorney Bel Zamora, at sa ating City Council of San Juan City. Ayan. Good luck. Pasensya na po na minsan namamatay tayo dahil sa gawa ng init. Ayan, pasensya na po. Pero sisikapin natin makabawi at makabalik sa ating laban. Who's your bet? Sino kaya titingin nyo ang magcha-champion? Okay, let the battle begin. First quarter.
Okay, once again, welcome to the championship round. Junior Division Inter-School between Salon Integrated and Salon National High
Bien,
School.
Rodike gets the foul.
Foul number
3 shots
21.
for Bien, Rodike. First shot para kay Bien. Basket is good. Second shot, no good. And the last shot, basket. 2 for 3. Fisher score 2-0 para San Juan National High School. That's a foul. Pinasa sa corner, 4-3. Yes, sir! Change favor. Lamang ng isa ang San Juan Integrated. Here comes Borjal. Pass to Rodike. Bien with a steal. Manyo with a ball. Outlet pass. Ayan na! Derecho! The small but terrible. Jersey number 12. Nagpapakitang gilas na rin dito ang kanilang gwardiya. Ayan na. Borjal binigay. Out. No bound. Bola rito ng San Juan National High School. Pinasa corner. Borjal and gets the foul.
Foul number 6.
2 shots para kay Borjal.
First foul.
Shoutout sa kanyang nanay na si Joy Lynn Borjal. No good. Second shot for Borjal. Basket is good. First basket na rin dito ni Borjal sa championship game. Ayan na, si number 12. Pass to number 6. Handoff. Number 1, umatake. Using the glass. No. Rebound. Makuha ni Rodike. Rodike, bounce pass. Ayan na. All the way. Coming from Borjal. Tabla tayo sa 5. Ayan na. Nag-aagawan.
Jump ball. Basketball. Integrated.
Bola rito ng San Juan Integrated. Gets the 3. Yes, sir! Para sa 3, San Juan Integrated. Balik ang kalamangan sa mga naka-red shirt. Rodike, pass to number 12 to number 18. Pass to Rodike, umatake at basket yan para kay Bien. Papasa isang lamang ng San Juan Integrated. Here comes number 12. Number 12, pinasa sa loob. Here comes Manyo, nabitawan. Outlet pass. Rodike na naman sa dulo. At basket is good. By Bien Rodike. Out of bounds.
Single.
Ayan na, bola rito ng San Juan Integrated. Pinangga. Oy, ayan na, number 21, side step, kick out. And that's a 3 seconds. Wala rito ng San Juan National. Number 18.
Offensive foul number 17.
Offensive foul para kay Bien.
First foul, San Juan National.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Oops.
Single.
Out of bounds. Aim ball. Ayan na, number 12, floater basket is good. Balik ang Kalamangan sa San Juan Integrated. Number 18, pass to number 15. Back to number 18, pass to Bien, 4-3. Yes, sir. Rodriguez. Balik ang Kalamangan sa San Juan National. Another foul para kay Bien. Aray ko. Nakakailan na ng foul dito. Nari second ba? Ayan na, number 21. Pass to number 12. Fake. Number 12 with the Hesi. Drop pass. Manyo sa loob. Basket para kay Manyo.
What a beautiful pass.
What a beautiful pass. Coming from jersey number 12 to Manyo. Ayan na. Umatake. Up and under. Basket is good. Tabla tayo sa 12. Number 21, umatake. Block from behind by number 4. Number 4, outlet pass. Ayun na, out of bounds.
Sub tayo.
Sub.
Pass to Bien, Pinas sa loob. Kick out. 4-3, short. Back number 18. Drop pass. Alley-oop, no. Rebound. Out of bounds. Wala rito ng San Juan Integrated. Another steal. Ayan na, number 18. Basket. 16-12 ang ating talaan. Number 12 with the ball. Number 12. Oy, ganda naman ang pass nun, pero wala. Out of bounds. Manyo, 4-3, no. Rebound. Ayan na, outlet pass. Number 18, all the way. Basket is good. Tumalaki na po ang Kalamangan ng San Juan. Number 18, oh. Gets a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 18. First shot is good. Remaining time 4 minutes and 39 seconds.
On the ground, number 18. East Curtis. Green on San Juan National.
Wala rito ng San Juan. Uy! Last touch.
White ball.
Oopsie, that's a trouble. Ayan na, number 1, basket para kay jersey number 1. Baba sa 5 lamang ng San Juan National High School. Number 12, 4-3, bam!
Third round, Andres, 3.
Basket para 3-point para kay Andres. Oopsie.
Single sub.
Substitution.
Share from 20.
Okay, time out muna tayo. Pasensya na po at nag-lag po tayo. Nag-overheat lang po ang ating phone eh. Alright, official score 22-14 pa rin ang ating talaan with the time remaining 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Kuya, pwede pa. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's go. Back to the ball game. Fake. Step back three. Short. Rebound ng mga naka-wire red shirt. Number 25. Ayun na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball.
Basketball substitution.
Number 14, fake. Ayun na, umatake. Basket. Namang na ng 10 ang San Juan. Another steal. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Red ball. Steal by Ortiz. Here comes Clyde. Steal ng mga naka-red shirt. Ayun na, Manyo na bitawan. Steal by number 1 and gets the foul. Gets a 3 short. Rebound ng mga naka-red shirt. Uy. What a pass. Ayan na. Reverse layup. Basket count. And 1. By jersey number 25. Ano pinili ni Idol? Marza. One shot for a 3-point play for Parza. No good. Rebound by number 14. Ayun na, number 1. Uy. It's a trouble. One minute and 29 seconds. Bola ng mga naka-red shirt. Ayun na. Oopsie. Gets a foul.
Foul number 2. Penalty. Penalty. Reverse foul. Penalty.
Official score 24-18. Gets the 3. Yes, sir. Para kay Ortiz. Clyde. Ayan na, number 25. Gustong makabawi. Bounce pass to number 10. Jump shot, no. Out of bounds. Last 54 seconds sa ating first quarter. Fake. Up and under. Wow, what a nice pass. Baba sa 7 ang lamang ng San Juan National High School. Number 2, pinas na corner. Kesa 3. Another 3-point. By Clyde Ortiz. Balik ulit sa 10 ang lamang ng San Juan National. Number 25, Parsa, and there's a foul. And shooting the line, there's number 25. Time remaining, last 20 seconds. 2 shots para kay number 25. Basket is good.
20 seconds, 20 seconds.
No. Last 11 seconds. Number 2, kick out, jump shot, bang! At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Official score 32-21 in favor of San Juan, or in favor of our defending champion, ang San Juan National High School. Tingnan natin dito kung makakahabol dito ang San Juan Integrated School sa second quarter. Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang po.
Start of the second period.
De Vera, pinasa corner, fake. Pass to De Vera. De Vera with a strong drive. Basket para kay De Vera. 23-32, baba sa single digit. 9-point lead para sa San Juan National. Rodique for 3. No. Rebound by Banyo. Pass to number 34. Ayan na. Steal by Bien. Bien. Oh, what a move para kay Bien. Rodique. 34-23. Lamang pa rin po rito ang San Juan National. Ayan na, side step, number 31, no! Rebound, pass to Manyo, and out of bounds. Bola rito ng San Juan. Rodique, pass to number 29. Gets a foul.
Foul number 24. First foul, first foul.
Shooting the line, jersey number 11. That is Jimenez. violation. Bola rito ng San Juan Integrated School. Manyo. Pass to Segon. Uy, what a pass sa loob. What an extra pass. Oh. The shoot in the line, jersey number 31. Nasyon. Basket para kay Nasyon. Second shot, no good. Rebound ng mga white shirt. Out that pass. Kick out. Rodike, up and under. No, rebound. Gets the foul. Foul number 18. Devera. Ayan na, Devera with a strong drive. No good. Rebound by number 11. Ayan na ang San Juan National. Up and under. Umatake. Basket para kay number 89. 36-24. Balik sa 12 ang lamang ng defending champion. Oh! Gets a foul.
Foul number 89 is first foul. 30.
Uy! Wala pa daw, wala pa. Uy, sayang. Time remaining 7 minutes and 46 seconds. Pinasa corner. Fake. Ayun na, umatake and one. Basket is good by Garcia. Nasa foul for a 3-point play. 36-26. Baba sa 10 ang lamang ng defending champion. Garcia. Basket. Baba sa Sham. Number 89, Gatsis Martin. Pinasa sa corner, Rodike. Spin move. Uy! Wala. Rebound. Ayan na, tumatakbo na naman. Here comes number 12. What a fake. What a shot. Yun lang. Wala. Rodike sa kabila, nagmamadali. Rodike, up and under. Wala. Rebound. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Manyo sa dulo. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Save ball. Shot clock at 18 seconds to shoot. Bola rito pa rin ng San Juan Integrated School. Pass to Manyo. To number 12. To number 1. Pinasa loob. Uy! That's a trouble. Sub. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 1 seconds po. San Juan National High School Basketball. Here comes Martin. Martin, umatake. And that's a traveling violation. Ayan na, si number 12. Number 12, Pinasa. Number 21 to number 1, Garcia with the ball. Pass to Parza. Pinasa loob, Manyo sa loob, tumira, wala. Rebound by number 5. Here comes number 89, Martin. Ayan na, crossover, Martin. Nabitawan, steal by number 12. Number 12, kick out. Parza with the ball. Pinalik ulit kay Parza. Parza, pinasa sa loob. Garcia, nabitawan. Ayan na, and that's a Traveling violation. Here comes number 17. Oy, nabitawan.
Foul number 25. First foul. Second team foul. Liberated.
Bola pa rin ng San Juan National. Ay na, number 1 for 3. Oh! 3-point para kay jersey number 1. Barza, pass to number 21 for 3. No! Rebound. Ay na, number 18. Umatake. Basket para kay number 18. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng defending champion. Pinasa ng Garcia, pass to Manyo, basket para kay Manyo doon. At nakabawi ang San Juan Integrated, 41-29. Ayun na, bounce pass, number 1, steal, outlet pass, mahabol. Steal by number 18, steal by number 12. What an extra pass. Akin na to by jersey number 21. Ayun na, baba sa 10 ang ninahabol ng San Juan Integrated. Number 1 with the basket. 43-31. Balik sa 12 ang hinahabol ng San Juan Integrated. Manyo. No. Rebound by number 4. Here comes number 1. To number 12. Basket and 1. By jersey number 12.
Foul number 25. His second personal foul. Third foul. Liberated. Stop.
Bonus shot para kay jersey number 12. That is Andres. Andres, no good. Rebound ng San Juan. Here comes San Juan Integrated. To number 21. Ayun na, spin move number 12. Block by number 4. Kick out. Barza. Umatake. And that's a jump ball. Sa 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng San Juan National High School. Ayun na. Sikera. Offensive foul by number 4. Time remaining 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Bola ng mga nakapula. Number 21. Oh, steal. Oh, see. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng San Juan National High School. Ayan na. Oh, still. Number 25. Oh. That's a travel. Another steal for San Juan Integrated. Here comes Manyo. Drop pass. Oy, wala. Manyo again. Oh, sorry, that's number 31. Basket para kay number 31. At timeout dito. Ang defending champion. Naris na Sean. Vicious score. Nag-overheat lang po ang aking phone. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-unawa. Vicious score 47-33. Nakaputos po dito ang San Juan National High School. Penalty tayo. San Juan National High School under penalty situation. And shooting the line at jersey number 12. Sugin on the free throw area. Basket para kay Sugin. Second shot. Basket is good. 2 for 2 for Sugin. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Here comes Villar. Oh, what a side step para kay jumper to 4. Ayan na. De Vera, what a pass! Oh, there's a foul. Foul number 4. Two shots para kay Manyo. Basket for Manyo. Time remaining 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Basket sub. Pulang. Dito. Kabila. Rodike, up and under, no. Rebound by number 11. Basket is good. 51-43. 53-37. Ay ba, sorry. Correction, 51. Ayan na, Rodike. Knocks it down. 53-37. Sugin and gets a foul. Penalty. San Juan National High School under penalty situation. Once again, Sugin on the free throw area. Sagun. Sabi Sugin. Mali yung apelido niya doon? Mali yung apelido niya? Sugin nakalagay. Sagon. Basket. 39-53. 1 minute and 27 seconds para sa ating first half. Villar. Jump shot, no. Ayan na, outlet pass. Manyo all the way. 53-41, baba sa 12. Ang hinahabol. Rodike from the corner, 3, no. Rodique again, 4-3, wala. Behind the back, number 18, no good. Wala pa rin. Here comes Sugin. Pasagin. No. Steal by Rodique. Here comes Bien. Oy, no good. Jimenez steal ng San Juan Integrated. 4-3. Oh.
And that's it. First round, we can score 53-51. 12-point by San Juan High School.
All right, end of the first half. Official score of 41-53 in favor of the defending champion. Alright, magbabalik tayo for our second half. Magkakat muna tayo for the meantime. Hanggang sa muli. Lamang ang San Juan National High School ng 12.